Barfi, a beloved Indian street confection, is a staple in the bustling markets of Uttar Pradesh. Crafted from condensed milk, sugar, and nuts, this sweet treat is an epitome of Indian culinary artistry. Vendors meticulously prepare barfi, presenting it in an array of colors and flavors, capturing the essence of festivals and celebrations. Its rich, creamy texture melts in the mouth, leaving a profound taste that resonates with tradition and festivity. In Uttar Pradesh's vibrant streets, barfi not only satisfies sweet cravings, but also symbolizes the region's deep-rooted culinary heritage, offering a glimpse into India's rich cultural tapestry that sweet lovers from around the world cherish.